Okay, here, working in Adobe Premiere Pro 000 is very easy. They have just 3 steps. That's input, edit, and output. For the input, you work on the project panel here. You can create some new item inside Adobe Premiere Pro here, or you can open the import box and select the media file that you create from Adobe Premiere Pro or from another application. The media file can be image file, audio file, or movie file. And you select them and click open to import them into the project panel for editing. And for the input, they are also capturing here. If you connect your camcorder to your computer, you can use the capture panel here and capture your audio and video to your computer. They import in here for further editing. And here this for the input. And for the edit, you will create a sequence in your project panel here and open your sequence in the title panel here. And here, as you see, this is a very simple editing sequence. And you use all the tools and panel in Adobe Premiere Pro to make up your sequence. Assemble your media file to your sequence here logically from left to right. This is the normal playback. And like the one in here, I make it from the capture file here, .cg, and I choose only portion of the video from this clip and put it in here, and I choose another portion of this clip here, like the one here and here. So in both from this capture file into the sequence here, and like the one in here, this motion graphic, I make it in Adobe After Effects. So I can superimpose this file in the sequence here for composition. And this is also a portion of the clip from the .cg file. Here, I use only a small portion in here, and this one in here, and this one in here. So, and here I also setting some keyframe on the clip, like the one in here. And this frame, the clip is in the right side on the screen, and I set a second keyframe in here, so to make it move from right side to the left side here and stay here for a while. Up to here, I set another keyframe, and I set another keyframe at here to make it move from here to here out of the screen. Same thing for this one. This one I set a keyframe on the scaler here. So at the beginning, it will be at the center 0%. That means nothing will appear on the screen. And the second keyframe, I set the scale is 25%, so it show up in here and stay for a while in here. Then I set another keyframe to make it smaller, going out like this. So this is a keyframing, and you can make any keyframe or change the parameter on any value in here. And here, this is the motion title I created in Adobe Title Designer. And like this one, as a motion title, at the beginning is out of the screen on the button, and coming up to the screen, coming up to the screen here, and going out of the screen on the top here, And in Premiere Pro, the sequence, you can also apply some video and audio transition like this. This is the audio transition, video transition here on the clip here. And if you want, you can also apply some effects, video or audio effect on the clip here, and adjust them in the effect control panel here. And when you finish your sequence and you are ready for output, so Outputting your sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro they call exporting. So you can export your sequence as a movie file, or you can export your current frame in here as a single frame still image, or if you want you can export your audio, only the audio as an audio file. And here if you select a title from your project panel, you can export your title, then you can use the title into another Premiere Pro project. And here if you select here to export to tape, that means if you connect your camcorder to your computer, you can export your sequence into your video tape here. And here if you have a DVD burner, you can export your sequence, burn your sequence directly into a DVD disc in here. And this one, if you want to exchange your editing information into another non-linear video editing application, so you can export your sequence as a EDR file, that's a edit decision list file in here. And here you can use the Adobe Media Encoder to encode your sequence into many formats. For example, here you can encode your sequence as a MPG1, MPG2, Macromedia Flash Video, QuickTime Movie, View Media File, Window Media File. So this is for the output. And working in Adobe Premiere Pro, as I say, is very easy. There are only 1, 2, 3, input, edit, and output. And in the following session, I will show you all the features, how to use the tools and panel to doing your editing. And one by one, you will know that all. And once again, Adobe Premiere Pro is a very, very performant, it's professional tools, and it's powerful only if you know it and use it. So you are going to learn and use it